Orlando Pirates is in serious trouble kule season le. I don't know when was the last time I saw Orlando Pirates play such poor football. I don't know when was the last time I saw Orlando Pirates anama player ukuthi abazimiselanga awafuna ukudlala. The only player that seems as though ufuna ukudlala lapha ku Pirates so far has been Olubone Siema, no Dion Hoto. Everyone else are just adding numbers. They are there for the sake of being there. Yini lento lesibhekile bafethu. There's a big problem eyenzakalayo lapha ku Orlando Pirates, and I think it's bigger than just to coach nama player ukuthi ubani akafuna ubani. Mara kunento enkulu eyenzakalayo because it doesn't make sense that I'm defending champions. We are talking about the defending champions of the Betway Premiership, of the MTN8 and the Carling Knockout. Start the season on a bad note ngalendlela le abayiqala ngakhona. It doesn't make sense. Bafethu ucoach Abdeslam Mowadu uyayibulala team yethu. And I don't know ukuthi abantu bazovuka nini bayibona lento le engishoyo. Lama player lawa kawadlalayo wadlala ngesikhathi kungamele ukuthi awadlalise, owadlala kuma position ekumele ukuthi akungamele ukuthi adlala ngawo. I don't understand. You lose lo mjita lona uDino van Rooyen. Who is the replacement? Usbelebele. Sbelebele is the replacement for Dino van Rooyen. Usbelebele gives lo mfana lona ulibone Siema double the job. Usiema each time mela abuye lana ka writers okhavela usbelebele ngoba once agijima yaphambili kuba nzima ukuthi abuye. Maka tracker back futhi usbelebele uyastruggle ukmarka i-man to man marking usbelebele yamshaya. It's easy for your opposition ngishilo na last week ukuthi wing ithatha usbelebele. Bayamthatha bayamqeda badlula kuye sosifokol. The only side ebonakala ngathi kwamanje stability i left only when Hoto is playing ngoba makudlala undaba it's a different conversation. Omunye nje nayo lo yayikho indaba yakhe ayikho akayenzayo. Ucoach Abdeslam Mowadu is against iphilosophy ka Jose Rivero nama player okukuthi adlale ku Pirates a coach ayilo mjita lo Jose Rivero. Look at how Orlando Pirates looks now versus how Orlando Pirates looked at the start of last season. Last season kuthe maziqala season Owadu wathatha wonke lama player lawa watholile lapha ku Pirates wabencha. He started his new players. When he started losing ama game lama player wakhe amasha when bangadlali ngendlela ekumele ukuthi adlale ngayo bekagijima thathe ama player ka Rivero awadlala. For me uJose Rivero won that league. Le treble le win uJose Rivero because it's his players abashayinile lapha Mfukeng, his player Talent Mbata, his player Tito coming off the bench changing the complexion of the game, his player ama player ukuthi ba coach ayilo mjita lawa that were impactful for Pirates. Yes, I know Umuremi no Ozwena Police abantu ukuthi bamtholela phaya. So I don't understand mina lento le yenzakalayo lapha kwaOrlando Pirates inkulu into eyenzakalayo. Now there's a rumor yokuthi Tito uyahamba. He could be leaving Orlando Pirates. Nothing has been confirmed yet. Let's say he does leave Tito. This Saturday, they had to play without Tito for me. For the first time in a very long time, where they play full 90 minutes without Tito. One thing I take back is Ugomateka Kakulu when it comes to his positioning. Because Lomfana Lo Masilela tried to play that role like Tito, he failed. Imhlulile Lomfana Lo. And I don't blame him. He's a young boy, udlala in a big occasion, udlala la millions of people are watching all over South Africa. It's not easy. Ama player kukuthi bekumele bangena gradually lawa. But to coach Owadu tata every player elisha elifika alithatha lahlelo uzibone ukuthi uphuma kanjani. That's not how you introduce a player to crowd yakho. Umuntu introducer kancane kancane. Angithi Rivero wenza kanjalo ngomfukeng. He didn't just take Mfukeng wamfaka Mfukeng ubese sakaqala ama game. He would come off the bench Mfukeng adlala nabo Lodge, adlala nabo Saling, simbone kancane kancane, and then Mfukeng became the player that he is. Eventually took over waba player elinkulu le Orlando Pirates. What Owadu is now doing to these youngsters, obathathu bafaka kuma position amakhulu, ama position abalekile, and you expect them ukuthi bazibonakalise labafana laba bashayine. Of course bazohluleka, of course bazofaila. Mina I wasn't expecting lo mfana lona to have a good game vele in any case. But now sticking within indaba yaka Tito, Sishilo. If Tito is not there, Pirates, who replaces him? If Tito is not playing, who replaces him? Two things could happen. Tito could leave Orlando Pirates or Tito could be injured. One of the two could happen. Lezo zinto lezo mazenzakala ubani ongena ayithatha position yaka Tito. Who plays no Tito? Last season we knew Mfukeng makaphuma ufaka Tito. If Mfukeng is not having a good game ufaka Tito, beku easy ukuthi lokho ba change we2 kanje, although ibhola labo lingafani, but they were able to play that position. Then they went and signed Umbule na bampush and made him a number 10. So there were 3 players. This is excluding uDlamini who was injured. 3 players abantswembu ekuyibo ukuthi beba competela le position le askisi ngibe distracted kancane la khona nje isilimanyana ngisiblokayo fast la sinasikhathi silima But yeah, you know, so bekunama player I3 ukuthi bacompetela leya position leya. This season, how many players are competing for their position yaka number 10? And if there are any players abacompetela leya, how many of them can you trust ukuthi lo makangena uba effective? Lo siyazi ukuthi uyakwazi ucreate ama chance, lo siyazi ukuthi uNtswembu on and off the ball. How many players like that do we have? Versus Amanyama team. There are so many youngsters who are good at playing that position all over the PSL. But the Orlando Pirates won't sign those guys. Instead, bazofuna ukusign ama player abangabadingi, bazosign abo Mukobodi, basign abo Mtiani, basign abo Banban. There's someone who's messing up lapha Orlando Pirates. Kunomuntu omoshayo and loyo muntu loyo umosha ngendlela mangazayo. I'm telling you, it's going to be a very long and challenging season for Orlando Pirates under coach Abdeslam Owadu. The solution to inkinga Orlando Pirates right now is to release Owadu. That's the solution. If you keep Owadu, then be prepared for failure. Be prepared for a disaster if uzogcina Owadu as the head coach of Orlando Pirates for the rest of this season. You know, so into mina engibhorayo is that lo mjita lona u-inherita i-team e-sharp, i-team yakhe iphelele, i-team yakhe started unama player right sharp, then management or whoever signs players uyahamba uyomsayinela amanye ama player. Instead of giving players a fair chance, Owadu vela bene favoritism yakhe, he will continue playing with Yanela Mbutuma even though he's not giving us results, even though uyambona ukuthi uyastruggle, but he will keep playing with Yanela Mbutuma. I don't understand this new obsession ngalo mjita lo ulungu. Yes, good player, don't get me wrong. When he has to score, he scores. But if he's not having a good game, him keep. Instead, trust Owadu to substitute to Police and keep Ulungu. Abe abona ukuthi Ulungu kuleya game leyana he wasn't being effective. Lo mjita lona bekashaya i-left back esikhukhune made it difficult for him to play because bekamkapa bebamkhahlela uLungu bese kushota nje ukuthi aphume injured kuleya game leya, but the coach decides to keep him. I don't understand how this guy substitutes. Uyabona sharp, you are leading 1-0. It doesn't guarantee you ukuthi at the end of 90 minutes uzobuyiwinile leyo game leyo. Owadu uyabona ukuthi combination yaka Mukobodi nomtetheleli ayisebenzi. That combination yaka Mukobodi nomtetheleli ayisebenzi. They were making it difficult for one another to play. Then you have uMasilela phambi kwabo who's playing as a number 10. Naye self combination yakona ayisebenzi. Be smart as a coach Buffet to take a Police, push him lapha ya because uyambona ukuthi a Police uyathanda ukubamba ibhola, une pace, umuntu othanda nokushoota. He's not afraid to take shots. Take a Police and play him as that number 10, then keep lo mfana lona Masilela mkhiphe. Then into yenzayo ke uthi Khositsile nayo uLungu because bengekho enye wing beyikhona lapha since Muremi has been injured. Then udlala ngaleyo ndlela leyo. But personally, you see why you need someone who's a traditional right back, because in instances or situations la ubona khona ukuthi ama wing forwards wakho awekho effective, usibelebele uyahamba uyampusha, play him in his natural position. Then you have someone odlala as an actual right back playing in that position who will make it easy for usibelebele ukuthi adlale. But Owadu akayiboni ngaleyo ndlela. I honestly don't understand what's happening with Coach Abdeslam Owadu. Either his understanding of his South African football iphansi or lo mjita lona nje he just doesn't care anymore. Maybe indlela yakhe yokusibonisa ukuthi ufuna ukuhamba. That's if we are responsible now for his starting lineup off, because izinto zaku PSL angeke uziconfirm. But Orlando Pirates, this is not the Orlando Pirates that we watched last season. It's not the Orlando Pirates lego ukuthi they took a game but challenging Mamelodi Sundowns, babonisa Sundowns ukuthi they desperately want to win the league. We say it again, without Talent Mbata who plays that position, without Tito who plays that position, without Muremi who plays that position, because clearly Owadu depends on 3 players kula uma position ukuthi okay Nyazi Mbatha makadlala la uzoyibamba, lo makadlala la uzoyibamba, lo makadlala la uzoyibamba, akana ma replacement for every player. Why is it that there are no players ukuthi ba compete position mara bantsombi boyithu? Uyazi ukuthi if for example asithi uApolis no Muremi ba compete position, uyazi ukuthi whether ngiqale ngoApolis or ngiqale ngoMuremi ama results ngizowathola. If this one is having a bad game, I know this one can come off the bench and change the complexion of the game. But right now, Orlando Pirates, we can't say those things. Yabona ke hype ukuthi yamosh bekana uKhositsile manje. Yabona hype ukuthi yamosh ungenile lo mfana second half had a good game bese ka postwa everywhere on social media. We have a new problem. He actually is a problem because mina for mina manje ufile nje. Ayikho into ayidlalayo. Uyangena naye second half, you expect ukuthi uzoba energetic, he will do what he did against the Milford. He didn't do it. Another thing enhlezi ngikhala ngayo, you are taking youngsters, you are putting them under pressure. This season is more important than any other season because Orlando Pirates wants to defend league yabo. It's one thing ukuyiwina, but ukuyidefender is another thing. in order for you to defend it, bafethu dinga ama-player that can compete at that level. So i-Orlando Pirates izwa ku-CAF and Khositsile will continue coming off the bench and play. Izohamba iyodlala i-Nedbank Cup, Khositsile will continue coming off the bench and play. Why not sign energetic players aba-creative? Hamba i-transfer window ingakaval. Bafethu, at this point asithatheng whatever money khona so far is Cape Town City ilontuza basilethele lo mfana lo Emil Witboy. He's the only one khona manje ongayidlala la position if Tito does leave. Even if Tito doesn't leave, even if Orlando Pirates continues no Tito, at least makunalo mfana Emil Witboy Tito uzoba no competition. Umpophadime makabuya le Netherlands ne DDC akatholi game time. Akatholi game time aphi opportunity yokuthi adlale cause ayi mfana ayikho lento esibhekile. Ayikho lento lesibhekile. I-Pirates ledlala so mele kuze kukore defend mfana. The way kunzima ngakhona mele kuze kukore defend uDion Hot. Bafethu ayikho lento lesibhekelele. Coach Abdeslam Owadu uyayibulala le team ethu. Owadu is killing this team and abantu abaningi abayibona. Abantu they are too obsessed ngalento ukuthi win treble. Besikhuluma manje off air. Coach Abdeslam Owadu is just like Arne Slot lo Liverpool. The only reason he won the treble is because he inherited a team, a sharp, and in management ihambile yamsignela ama-player. Our police was very good kulokunje. Pulukwane City besakabuya ku-AFCON lo muntu he had represented ibafana at the highest level. Of course you expect him ukuthi makafika Pirates a perform. Tsepang Muremi was doing well kuAmaZulu. Makafika Pirates you expect him to do well. Sibelebele was doing well ku-TS Galaxy. When it comes to Pirates you expect him to do well. That's how you sign players. Last season i-structure ne-philosophy sabo yokusign ama-player beyisebenza angazi kule season ukuthi kwenzakalani mina. I don't even know what's happening kule season le. Now there are players Lomfana lona uNhlanhla Zwane Golden Arrows, he can come and play that position. Lomfana lona uPhilani Khumalo lapana ku Golden Arrows, he can come and be a super sub for Orlando Pirates. Ayabulela uMaxwele can play naye bafethu. Why isn't Orlando Pirates after these youngsters now babo Maqokolo go sign ama player obabona ukuthi laba they are doing well kuma team wabo, and when they have to play against big teams they perform. Ayi play ukuthi ukora one game nyana bese sekathathu uyasayinwa lapha. Mina I still maintain istance sami. Mina ngimbona uMukobodi. I don't understand what Mukobodi is doing. I hear everyone is obsessed with Mukobodi, general, nifuni general or nifuni league. Nifuni general or nifuni CAF. Is a general gonna win you the league? Is a general gonna win you CAF? Because Lomfana Lono Mukobodi is playing too safe. For me, he's not different to Umtasingwa Leo Kaizer Chiefs. He's not different from Umtasingwa Leo Kaizer Chiefs. How many more Mukobodis does Orlando Pirates already have? Sitland really plays like him. Sharp, he's injured. Utalente Mbatha self uyayidlala le position. Makehleni Makaulu uyayidlala le position. Simpiwe Silepe plays that position. If there's one position a Sharp sorted lapha Pirates, iyo le position leya lapha esphakathini. So I honestly don't understand. It's really confusing lento le eyenzakala ku Orlando Pirates, and not only is it confusing but it's also frustrating and annoying to see a team enkulu kangaka idlala ngalendlela le idlala ngayo. If they continue to play like this, they're not going to win anything this season. They'll make it to the final of the MTN 8 and then lose to Golden Arrows. They'll make it to a final and then lose to Golden Arrows. Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates are the same. The baswag kule season. Oyithula ama team lawo aswag. uMiguel Cardoso ayikho into ayenzayo lapha ku Sundowns, instead uyayichitha le team le. And then abantu abaningi bazothi, yeah no, Mamelodi Sundowns doesn't care about domestic competitions. If they didn't care, they wouldn't play them. If they didn't care, they wouldn't play them. If they didn't care, bengeke nalesa sikhathi badlala nePirates nge-semi-final MTN 8 bafake zonke ita zabo. They do care about them, but the problem is that abawawini, so it's easy for people to say that Sundowns doesn't care about these trophies. uMiguel Cardoso is killing Mamelodi Sundowns. If there are two coaches ekumele bahambe ku PSL this season, uOwadu noCardoso. uCardoso moshishusha in piano. Sundowns ayisadlala le bholo leli siyaziyo. If any team can hold Mamelodi Sundowns right now, and by the way they are in trouble. Badlala namaZulu Wednesday Sundowns so basengozini. Bayibona into abangakaze bayibona amaZulu azobadla at the rate abadlala ngayo with that pairing yakalomfana lona uJohannes nomkhulise lapha emuva Malibonge Khoza, sorry, with that pairing yakakhoza no Johannes, Mamelodi Sundowns is in trouble. Clearly abomvala nabo Grant Kekana yibo abantu abantswembu yibo abakwazi ukudlala le position noKia no Cupido. Without them kuyaleka lapha emuva. Now Mkrwena akekho in the middle of the park. Aland is doing double the job because Uba sometimes uyaleka. Mamelodi Sundowns is in trouble just like Orlando Pirates. If Oyithula ama team aqhubeka ngalendlela aqhubeke ngayo, there's a very high chance that Chiefs can compete for the league. There's a very high chance that Chiefs can compete for the league if lama team azoqhubeka ngalendlela le adlala ngayo. For mina, yes, you can beat isikhukhune. Mara bafethu isikhukhune asikho strong this season. Abafani na last season kuthi Pirates ngazidlale ngalendlela edlale ngayo ithole lela goal. Why is it that bayangena lapha eboxing makumele ukuthi kukore akukore? And then I see a lot of people are complaining about Sebastian Pedersen. Sebayamgwara abantu vele ubone lapho ukuthi so ni judge iplayer elingene second half ikusele boma 18 minutes so judge performance yakhe ukuthi player elinjani. Give him 3 games. Give him 3 games. Angithi nimlwele uMbuthuma, you gave Mbuthuma more than 3 games. You gave him the whole season and you've given him the start of this season. Mkayeni lo mchitalo ichance aqala igame simbone. And you can't judge him because of leya shot nyane wana ithathile leya. But bombona makangena for me. He had a shot I shootil. Mbuthuma ushutile kule game. Did Mbuthuma even take a shot at goal kule game leya? Angimbonanga. Did he have any attempted goal Mbuthuma? Asibonanga. It took Lomchita Lona less than 10 minutes angena was twala in the right space was amukshaya. So just give him a chance yokuthi asiveze nokuthi asibonakalise. But Orlando Pirates have made a big mistake ne kule transfer window lo. Letting go of Ulibito, letting go of Usesani, letting go of Van Rooyen, and now they are about to make another mistake. If yayenzeka ukuthi badedele uTito, if they let go of Tito ke, I'm telling you bafethu akusana creativity, akana replacement. Wonke lama player lawa bawa release with a plan yokuthi laba bazo replace wa ilaba. And maybe now it's time yokuthi coach Abdeslam Owadu apu Kabelo Dlamini a chance. Give Shenko a chance. Udlale kayi-1 last season uShenko. Udlale kuphela nge-second leg yale game Pirates against St. Eloi Limpopo lapha Orlando Stadium. He came on as a sub and he was effective against that low block. Washaya diagonal pass yathola police walinqahaza ngaphakathi. So maybe give Kabelo Dlamini a chance. And then if ke animtholi Emil Witboy, you have yena uKabelo Dlamini ukuthi azama ukudlala kule position leya. But yeah, no, izinto ezenzakalayo khona manje bafethu izinto ezenzakalayo lapha ku Pirates khona manje ziyathusa, izinto ezenzakalayo lapha ku Pirates ziyamangaza. This doesn't look like the same team that won a treble last season. This doesn't look like the same team ekukuthi besibheka si supporter last season sibona kahle ukuthi izowina. Yes, I am guilty. Mina bengisho last season ukuthi angeke baze bayiwin league. It's because mina ama mistake kawo wadi ngabone from last season. Ama players ashisa ukuthi lo coach lo una mistake amaningi. Akakwazi ukusubstitute, akakwazi ukread game. He doesn't know how to use which players and when to use the players. You can't take a young boy osuka good development umqalisi semi-final MTN 8 against a team last season that was a headache. Isikhukhune was a headache last season for Pirates. Uthatha umfana omncane uyamqalisa and you expect this boy ukuthi perform. You expect this boy ukuthi akupha ama results. Come on guys. Coach Abdeslam Owadu is confused bafethu. Titekile lo mchitalo utitekile. It's not that Orlando Pirates doesn't have players. It's not that Pirates doesn't have the quality. Akhona ama player, ikhona quality but coach wethu decide ukubagcina benchini labo bantu akabaphi chance yokuthi badlale. So that's the problem bafethu. That's the problem. And I don't understand, what are you rebuilding? Coach Owadu, what are you rebuilding? You already have a solid team with a solid foundation, with a solid structure. Either we are enhancer, and look, enhancer, it's making smaller nyana changes. It's not changing the team yonke at large. It's not changing the whole team at large. Khona manje it's as if Owadu change yonke into. Yonke into nje lapha ku Pirates ishintshiwe iqalele kabusha. Aye bafethu, aye lo coach asihlaza bafethu. Next thing so basigwara ama supporter we Chiefs nawe Sundowns. So basesidelelwa ama supporter we Chiefs nawe Sundowns ngenxa ukuthi ucoach wethu ne technical team yakhe badidekile because of the confusion yabo manje nathi sizongena enkingeni. Aye ucoach wada akahambe ku Pirates bafethu, aye ayikabi. Not ukumzondo inawo Owadu akahambe ku Pirates. Sesikhathele sibonile lento le. Owadu and makahamba ne sicela ukuthi athathe uMbuthuma ahambe naye. Makahamba athatha uMbuthuma ahambe naye. Ayikho right lento le. You let go of players that have been effective, that have been important to the club. Nehamba no signela izinto esingazazi. Abo mabasa bayadedelwa bayahamba. Umuntu obekhona swina almost every trophy. Lo muntu bese kazo break record. Uyahanjiswa kulethu umuntu esingamazi. Now uyahamba uDino Van Rooyen, uyahamba uLubito kufakwa abo sibelebele who's not even a defender. Why are you not replacing the players that you are releasing with players that play those positions? Yeah, I wouldn't be shocked next game ngibona uMasindi nemthatshela ugoalkeeper. Angithi Owadu yena phela uya rotate uzama yonke into. Next thing yomangala starting lineup nababiza goalkeeper. Goalkeeper for Orlando Pirates Masindi nemthatshela. Uzibuze ukuthi Owadu ayikho lento le ayenzayo. Hayi. And the people are blinded by lento ye treble. Win treble akuna treble ayiwinile Owadu. The players applied themselves. It was an operation yaka lo mfana lo yaka lo mchita lo Jose Rivero. Uyoqale something if naye beka coachile last season kushuthi league gubi winwe. Shutili gubi winwe. Bafethu ngiyabonga ukuthi nisijoine lapho ku Facebook, lapho ku YouTube, sizoyiqhubha la ku TikTok. Siyabonga kakhulu isupport yenu. Remember to like us, follow, subscribe, share and post. Danko. Hayi bafethu, yeah, no, nyavuma. Tito does have